Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week we have another early Matchbox on the turntable. This is a 13A Bedford wreck truck, the first in a whole line of number 13 wreck trucks that came out of the Lesney factories. This particular model was issued between 1955 and 1957 and like the 13B was painted in tan with a red crane and hook. Note that 13A and 13B tow trucks are virtually identical. The only difference is that the sides of the truck bed are slightly larger on the 13B. Later models also had the crane attached to the axles, which greatly diminished the chances of it getting lost. This model is not in a bad shape considering its age, except for the rust on the axles and some chips in the paint. But of course it's missing its crane, which just locked into the hole in the bottom of the loading area. A nice opportunity for a complete restoration. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. Let's have a look again at what we started out with. This little tow truck is almost 70 years old and looked not too bad considering its age. The axles were rusty and the paint was chipped, and of course the model was missing its crane and hook. Those just locked into a hole in the body and probably got lost within the first week of play. And this is a model after restoration, sporting a new tan color, silver detailing and polished axles and wheels. It also has been reunited with its crane and hook, making it a real tow truck again. I did have to replace one of the axles as the crimping went wrong and it ended up too short. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. If you want to support my work, you can become a member on my Ko-fi page. Members can download all the decal files I made for my earlier projects and receive exclusive access to a gallery of my upcoming restorations and behind the scenes pictures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.